Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Nick, and in today's video I would like to show you how to download and play Demon Squad Idle RPG. So this is a new game and now this game is available only for Android and iOS devices, for mobile devices. And of course there is a way how you can install this game on your PC or laptop. So to do it, you need to install an Android emulator. In my case, I use LD Player. This is a pretty good emulator, but you can install other emulator, for example, BlueStacks or Moo emulator or another one. So to install it, just go to ldplayer.net, for example, and install it right here. Okay, and after that, open this emulator and click on the System Apps folder. And in this folder, you can find Play Store. Let's open it. You need to sign in here. And now let's click on the search bar at the very top and type here Demon Squad and press enter. And here is the game. Let's click here. And now you can easily install this game. Just click on this button. And now you need to download 400 megabytes on your PC. While the game is downloading, let me show you what this game is all about. You can scroll down and there are a lot of screenshots here from different teams' comps. Build and upgrade your squad, fight the ultimate boss, endless transformation, 50 character and skin choices. And this is how the gameplay looks like. And now this game has a pretty good rating, 4.0, it's okay. And there's also over 500,000 downloads. Okay, finally the game is installed, and now let's make sure that this game is really playable on PC. To do it, just click on play to open this game on emulator and wait. Okay, the game is loading. So I created a guest account and the game works fine. I hope this video was really helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And of course you can leave your questions in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.